So imagine I got some piece of embedded hardware and I want software for it to make it run. Basically what I need is the whole ecosystem around that hardware, around one product. Something which is a combination of a software and hardware, a kit, a software development kit. Yep, this MicroSDK is basically a set of software libraries and hardware definition files, helping you develop product from scratch, all the way up to a physical prototype. Now we are upgrading our MicroSDK. We are adding more microcontrollers in it, specifically those for better motor control, dsPIC ones. Let's program dsPIC MCU with some simple MicroSDK code. Once you run Necto Studio, selecting Setups wizard or by pressing Ctrl F1 then searching for it will lead you to a window in which you will be able to select dsPIC compiler alongside with the current version of our SDK. We are going to finish configuring our setup. Then we are going to select Package Manager feature and then we are going to install and open some simple package example. Tester click would be a good choice. Now I'm going to switch to the Plan Debug feature in order to connect to development board which has this clipboard on it. And then finally I'm going to program this simple example on the dsPIC microcontroller. Okay guys, so there is more out of it, but you understand the gist of it. Because this is the era of open source software, MicroSDK is part of this story as well. So if you found this dsPIC update interesting and you want to learn more, check it out on the GitHub. Until the next time, thanks for watching.